based on the topic of on uh, visiting the Philippines and your first time coming and where what's good to have, stuff like that. So uh, I got some more videos coming that they're gonna be pretty cool, and yeah, that one is bright right there. So yeah, I have. Oh, this is the brightness. I have more that are gonna come, and the next blog, it's gonna talk about our new business that we're doing. It's a new project. It's a new project that we have. So it's too bright. There you go. It's a little better now. So yeah, we have a new project coming. It's a new investment. It's a new surviving idea. Something that all other survivors that are coming to the Philippines can do. So like, if you're gonna come to the Philippines and you are gonna be living here, that's a good one. That's a good blog to watch. Kind of give you an idea of business that you can do, and budget. I'm drinking my water. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for the new project. It's something new, and I think it's gonna be good for us. I think it's gonna be good because I think it is. So far, I think the so far we still have the piglets. They turned 2 months. Yeah, they turned 2 months already. We had them already for 2 months. Um, next month is gonna be their third month. So we'll see. We'll see how big they get. I haven't done a blog update on them, but I'll probably do that here soon. Uh, I have I had a subscriber that she's gonna visit the Philippines, so she wanted a couple pointers, couple tips. So um, I made this blog that I released today, and after that, like after that, I did more. Basically, they're based on like it's recommendations where you can stay, places that you can visit. I think those will be pretty cool. It's pretty cool info, like you know, especially if you've been to a place that you never been to before and stuff like that. It helps out. It really helps out. Um, a bunch of these things I didn't know. I didn't know before coming to the Philippines, y'all, and I'm telling you, it's gonna save you a lot of stress. A lot of stress. I stressed. I stressed a lot not knowing a bunch of things, especially with the 13A visa. The